I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your PlayStation Network account because the assistant settings are profile-specific. Once signed in, make sure your PS5 runs the latest system software. Updates include voice features and fixes. Plug in a compatible microphone or headset to the controller or a USB port. The console must detect audio input. Now navigate directly to settings. This begins the enable flow. I'll guide you through the menu choices and explain why each option matters so the assistant works reliably. Once in settings, open system and then voice control and voice commands so you can enable the feature itself. Toggle voice input on, then pick your language and select the microphone source, controller mic, or external USB, because picking the wrong device prevents detection. Make sure you give microphone and online permissions when prompted. Without permissions, the assistant won't respond or access online services. Take a moment to test levels in the menu, so background noise doesn't block wake words or commands. Finish by running the built-in voice test. This confirms the mic and sensitivity settings. If the system asks, follow prompts to train or confirm the wake word so recognition improves. Adjust microphone sensitivity and noise reduction in sound settings if commands are missed. If commands still fail, reboot the PS5, unplug and replug your mic, then recheck microphone permissions and online access. That simple troubleshooting fixes most issues. If problems persist, try a different headset to isolate hardware versus software causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.